All right, out here on Utah Lake on my kayak today. Let's see if I can show you the kayak a little bit right there. Still lots of ice floating around. You can see it there. I'm in the delta of where the Provo River and the lake come together. Okay, floating into the ice. There's some ice hitting up against the kayak. There you go, and I'll show you the rest of the scene here. There's a chunk of ice that's floated by, and then there's the mountains in the background. Quack, 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 quack. They're all getting out. Something happened. Something sent them a message. And it's not me, because I've been here for like 15 minutes. Single file. Anyhow, really having a great time. A little chilly, but I hope you're having a blessed day.